Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Achievement. In this video, we are going to have a look at Savor theme. This is completely free theme published by Shopify teams. So go ahead and log into your admin area and then go to themes. You can, if you find Savor listed in your admin area, you can click the Savor. Otherwise, you can go to Shopify themes. Themes like visit theme store like that, not that one. So click visit theme store, and from here you can just check this free ones and look for Savor. So we have Savor right here, or you can use a search button like SAVO or Savor Monaco. Anyway, so this is a theme that we are going to have a look. This is Savor theme. I'm going to view the demo store and we will quickly go over both screens, small and the desktop. At the moment, this is the desktop store. In desktop mode, you can see this is how it looks. This is the home page, which has listed few products, a banner, and this is your menu button, navigation bar, search bar, this is your cart, and if you click on any product, this will lead you to the products page. So this is going to be products page of this Savor theme on the desktop. This is how it looks. We got few suggestions. So many suggestions. At the very bottom, which is going to be almost common on every template, whether it is a home page template or product page template. This is going to be it. Subscribe, connect, ask, shop. So this is your home page. If you would like to see all the shops, you can click shops. It will list all the products. Yeah. You see, you can also have a look at the recipes. This is basically the recipes. So this is good. This theme is good for anybody who is a blogger, vlogger of cooking, uh, and want to publish recipe and also want to sell something. Yeah. Okay, so that's all we have here. We have then about page. Mini Bami sliders. Anyway, so it's taking time to load. So what I will do, I'll go to your mobile page and then I'll click on the saver to go on to home. Nothing is working. Yeah, here we go. This is our home page on the mobile screen, And if you click on any products, that is most important thing. This is how it looks. People will be able to swipe right and left. Add to cart, buy it now, and below you have suggestions. This is a demo store, so we don't have that cart immediately. But cart should be available on the, so if you in the store. The next video would be customizing this theme on my dev store. This is how it looks. You can check out. Again, this is demo store, so you don't have checkout on it. This is how it looks, your Savior theme. It has cool features. If you are a cuisine blogger, let's say food blogger, and you want to sell something and also want to publish your recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.